not going anywhere.
No! I stole that ship fair and square, come on!
Oh, boy. Okay, I guess we could take my ship.
Ship? What ship?
This ship. Yep, swirl it around, yep. And that goes there. That little one right in there. Yeah! Now get in!
What about my brother? I have to save him.
He is not your brother anymore. He is a Sith Lord who happens to look like your brother. There is nothing good left inside of him.
That's not true. I know my brother.
You want to stay here and find out the hard way?
Fine. So, do you know how to fly this thing?
I got this, okay? I'm the fastest pilot in the galaxy, old-timer.
Loving the confidence.
Okay, so should we go over basic interstellar travel safety instructions now, or?
Punch it!
Oh, come on!
You're not the only one who can use the Force, Jedi.
Jedi Bob, do something!
If you keep calling me that, I am going to let us crash!
Impressive.
I've heard of upgrades, but not usually while you're in the middle of flying the ship. We're losing power, we're gonna crash! I don't even know what's going on right now.
There's always another way to build.
We're running out of ground.
Don't stop.
But-
Trust me.
Quad jumpers.
Well, you said you were fast. Now prove it.
With pleasure.